Oh yes, coffee. Much needed.
So the plan here is we try to not sleep, maybe like 4 hours into the flight, maybe 2 movies. So hopefully we can adjust for our time to Thailand because we arrived there around noon. So hopefully. $2 in there too.
Oh really?
Hundreds of dollars up down here.
Oh damn, we hit the jackpot here.
Yeah, okay.
Welcome to another vlog. I feel so awkward.
It's been a while, huh?
I know, it's been like ages since I've vlogged before, so I'm like,
It probably didn't look that way because, you know, we have a lot of footage that we went through from the last trip.
yeah. So I expect this in 2024. What do we have there?
A-N-W.
A-N-W.
Oh, no, fries, casualties.
Oh no!
Casualties.
No, casualties.
Okay.
Okay.
A&W, some sauce, some ketchup.
Yes.
Not a lot of things open, so I mean, we're gonna have to.
It's quite
too many
late.
Choices.
Yeah.
A&W is so expensive nowadays.
Gosh, it is.
So pricey. There you go. Here's Mama Burger for you.
Thank you so much. So this is my mama burger. There is a pickled mama, spicy pickled mama, but they weren't serving it, so.
Yeah, it's kind of late, so I think a lot of things are none left. There's no onion rings. You know.
Yeah, no onion rings, but I'm sure the fries are gonna be really like fresh.
I think so.
Yeah, it looks pretty fresh. It looks pretty good.
They give us so much salt. Perfect.
Yes.
That's the way we like it.
Excellent. Originally, Tony and I were supposed to go to the Sky Lounge, but the price was kind of steep for us. And we were only going to be there for 2 hours. So we decided just to sit around here and eat some A&W before we board our plane.
For 85 years, Weaver has been lending a helping hand to all that trusted us, creating a path for those pursuing it, empowering you.
Look, this is the Hello Kitty store and they're closed!
It's closed, but it's something.
Yeah. We are walking around the mall. I mean, not the mall. The airport currently. We got about a 4-hour layover.
Yep.
Till we have to go on our flight to Thailand. I gotta tell you, this 11-hour flight, I'm so not used to it. I'm so uncomfortable, kind of nauseous, and low appetite. So I'm glad that we got this 4-hour layover to kind of recoup from that flight. Because now we got another 6-hour layover over to Thailand.
6-hour flight, right?
Yeah, 6-hour flight, yeah. 6-hour flight to Thailand. So currently we're just like wandering around, seeing what's here, since we got a bit of time. Wow.
Pretty big hall.
Yeah, huge. I believe ahead is a gaming area. So we'll check that out. Oh, here it is. Yeah, this is the gaming area, guys. Okay, actually, I was completely wrong. This is actually the real gaming area.
You're telling me there's only one game.
Hey guys, this is my thought process as I was filming our 4-hour layover at the Taipei airport. At first I wanted to put all my clips together into a montage with some background music, but then I thought, would it be enjoyable to watch as a viewer? Then I thought, should I try to add in real life commentary of what I'm filming? Like how I think this dummy reminds me of Kevin Bacon in The Hollow Man? But that's not really my forte. Then I thought, should I film myself doing random activities like walking around at a random art gallery and pretend to seem interested in these paintings, while my real focus is what will my footage turn out and how can I show you all? To be honest, if I wasn't filming, I would probably just be on my phone, sitting down somewhere, but that wouldn't be entertaining, or would it? This is the part I love about YouTube. You can be as creative as you like. The boundaries of filming and editing is endless, which just makes the blueprint to how you want to film more vast, because you don't know what will work for your channel. Anyways, thanks for listening to my TED Talk.
Okay, so we order Japanese pork roll. We also order Taiwanese beef noodle soup.
I'll try the broth first. Oh, yeah. Very beefy. This is very soft.
Good?
Chewy. Oh, the broth is so good. First bite. Not bad.
Now it's a BLTL BJ.
That's why.
BLTL BJ. It's like some kind of like a brown black tea latte with like a brown sugar jelly something.
Ooh.
And got some canale.
The design either to go or just to
Not bad.
move QR code and then
Ooh, I
take
love
your
the
picture
spongy
with your
texture
fingerprint
of the canale.
and then
The outside's really hard. The inside's like very spongy and moist. It's not bad.
Pretty good.
Kind of tastes like bubble tea with like jelly.
otherwise just riding the two cars on the airplane.
Oh gosh. After 17 plus hours, we are here. We're in Bangkok. Yay! We're in
Finally.
Bangkok, finally! Okay, so the plan is take a taxi over to the Airbnb and meet up with our Airbnb host. Okay, we are now in the Airbnb and I am so excited to show you guys. Okay, is a full-length mirror. We have a fridge here. This is the kitchen. Don't mind the luggages. We literally have just arrived. Here's the washroom. So clean. Very nice. Toilet. Walk-in shower. Living room area.
Just checking things out.
Yeah, just checking things out.
There's a washer and dryer. A little older, but it's okay.
Yeah, there's a washer and dryer. Wow, it's a washer and dryer? Wow, you don't see both of them.
dryer.
Wow, and this couch here. And here's the view, you guys. Wow. Look at
There's
this.
like a workspace here.
There's a desk here. Yeah. Hey, Tony. Oh, the closet. Huh.
It's like a husky pillow.
Oh, gosh. And you guys might be wondering where the bedroom is. Here is a flight of stairs. You just go up here. This is going to be my first look at the bedroom, you guys. And voila. This is the bedroom.
The loft style. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Come over here. Look.
Oh, you guys, look at this. What is your first impression of this place?
It's great, you know, but the picture always makes it look bigger.
Oh, for
but
sure.
I mean, of course, it looks smaller. That's to be expected. I like the design of it.
We're just gonna unpack and we're gonna head over to our friend and wish us luck that we don't fall asleep.
I think I'll be fine. Just more like mostly you.
I'm gonna be so exhausted, you guys. I'm running on 0 sleep right now. But you know, Bangkok is just so eye-catching that everything just captures your attention. So there's no way I'm gonna fall asleep. Yeah.
Here's our little camera shot.
Found Shard.
We found him. So we got 3 of the spicy one,
Uh-huh.
3 of the chicken, and then some of the chicken spicy as well.
Ooh.
They're all food stuff.
Peppery. Pork. Interesting spice.
It's mine.
Okay. looks nice.
Yeah.
Perfect. Wow. Oh, so refreshing. Thank you. First time. Oh, hot. Okay, this is the potato twist. Back home it's like $20.
Okay,
Here
that's not okay. Okay, this thing is like a potato
Yeah.
plus seasoning.
This was like $1?
It's like $1 USD. That's okay, but like $20 in night market, that's not okay.
Is it so, like, is it at least good potato chips? Like,
I would think so. Yeah.
You know, pre-cooked.
I think you're supposed to rip
it was fresh when... Are you supposed to eat it like that?
Try it.
Just rip it?
It's a
It's like a soggy potato chip.
it's a potato. Like it's a potato. Can I try?
How is it?
Yup, that's potato.
Your first time eating mango sticky rice? Tell us how it...
Just make a bite, you know, with,
Yeah.
with some mango too. Try together.
Together with the mango?
Yeah. You gotta try it all together.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, get it. How is it?
It's a lot more crunchy than I thought. I thought it was thicker. I think it's because of the yellow.
Yeah, I think it's because there's like Rice Krispie, like that. I call them Rice Krispies. I don't even know what they are, but they add like crunch
It's
flavor.
not bad.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, sure.
It's light.
I mean, I give it a 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Okay, fair.
Good morning. Just wanted to tell you guys what happened after we left Jodd's Fair. We hung around the mall for a bit and then headed home. Sorry I didn't close off on my last vlog. Sorry I didn't close off on this vlog because Todd and I were extremely tired from our flight and we were just exhausted afterwards. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Rings, cheese, bacon, pickles, and there's some sort of sauce. It's peppery.
Yeah, I like it. I like this one. I feel like it's gonna be the teriyaki, this one, then the shrimp. That's my prediction.
First, second, third.
For you?
I think
Okay,
so.
so I think this is the worst one.
Yeah.